Question B. Bees, wasps, and ants all live in colonies that have a queen. The queen of the colony is really the mother of all the insects in the colony. During the spring and summer, many eggs are laid in bee, wasp, and ant colonies all over the world. Okay, so that was a little background information. Now we're kind of getting into the meat of the problem. So I'm going to go through and highlight some important information. Queen bees lay about double the number of eggs in a day that a queen ant lays. Okay, queen wasps lay about 600 fewer eggs than queen ants do. On average, queen bee, ant, and wasps together, okay, so we're thinking about what operation would we use there, lay about 2,600 eggs a day. How many eggs would each type of queen lay in one day? All right, so we are given information, okay, about the number of eggs that a queen bee lays and the number of eggs that a queen wasp lays. So what information are we missing? Okay, we're missing the number of eggs that a queen ant lays. But notice how in the problems, the number of eggs that a queen bee lays is given to us in relationship to the queen ant. And the number of eggs that a queen wasp lays is given to us in relationship to the number of eggs that a queen ant lays. So that should tell us that the queen ant is our starting point. That's what we are going to be guessing, and we're going to use that guess to find the rest of the information. Okay, so I'm going to say that we're just going to say that A is the number of eggs that a queen ant lays. All right, and we're just going to call this X. Okay, that's our starting point. Okay, and then we're going to look at queen bees. So it says queen bees lay double the number of eggs in a day that queen ants lay. So if I say that B is equal to the number of eggs that a queen bee lays, and this is double what a queen ant lays, what operation would we use to represent that? All right, if it's double, okay, we're going to multiply by 2. So the number of eggs that a queen bee lays is going to be equal to 2 times the number of eggs that a queen ant lays, 2 times X. Queen wasps lay 600 fewer eggs than queen ants do. So 600 fewer, keyword there being fewer. What operation would we use to represent that? Okay, 600 fewer, 600 less. Okay, so we're going to have to use subtraction there. So C, oh not C, the A and B threw me off. It's going to be, we're going to call the queen wasps W. Okay, so the W is going to be the number of eggs that a queen wasp lays, and that's going to be equal to 600 less than the queen ant. So if the queen ant is X, X minus 600 will give us queen wasp eggs. So if I wanted to draw a picture to represent this, I'm really going to use a 2D model here again. So if the number of eggs that a queen ant lays is X, and the number of eggs that a queen bee lays is 2X, and the number of eggs that a queen wasp lays is X minus 600, okay, this total right here should be equal to 2,600. Okay, so let's jump down into the table and fill in some of that information. So like I mentioned before, we are going to start with the number of eggs that a queen ant lays. So we're just plugging in a number for A, and then using that to find the information about B and W. So I'm just going to say that A is 1,000. Okay, so let's just guess 1,000 and see where that takes us. Okay, so if a queen ant lays 1,000, okay, so that means X here is equal to 1,000, then B is equal to 2 times X, so 2 times 1,000. Okay, 2 times 1,000, 2,000. All right, and then wasps is going to be the number of eggs that a queen ant lays minus 600. So if a queen ant lays 1,000 eggs, a queen wasp would lay 400 eggs. Okay, 1,000 minus 600 is 400. And then the do part of this, okay, we need to find the sum because we know when we add them all together, A plus B plus W, we're going to get that 2,600. Okay, so we're going to see if we add these three together, do we reach our goal of 2,600? So 1,000 plus 2,000 plus 400. Okay, 1,000 plus 2,000 is 3,000, and then 3,000 plus 400 is 3,400. Okay, and then we need to decide, okay, is this equal to 2,600? Oh no, okay, it's too big. So our next guess, okay, if 1,000 was too big, our next guess should be less than 1,000, and we'll slowly narrow down our answers until we finally get the right one.